Hi, welcome to my channel, Income for Mommy. I am here showing you all the things that I have collected in my basement to sell on eBay. These are all the pictures of all the items that I have been collecting for last 6 months. Anything in the house and my kids' closet that we're not using, I keep on putting it in the basement in a hope to sell it on eBay. So the goal is to get organized and put all these items online and convert my trash to cash. In order to get started, the first step is to get bins, to get organized, get all your trash sort them into different categories. I have purchased these really beautiful, inexpensive bins from IKEA. They came in boxes of 3 that I will be using to get organized. Next step is to put categories on each of the boxes and start sorting through your trash, through all your items, and start putting them into different bins. Once my bins are ready, the goal for this week is to put at least 20-30 items on eBay per day and see what we're able to do to sell it. I will be back to report on my progress. Stay tuned and please subscribe.